So we're getting ready to go to the islands. We are going to go out with our friends Scott and Loretta. They're in a 40-foot Hunter. This is the first trip that I've taken the boat out since I got back from San Diego, so it's gonna be fun. We're gonna go to Santa Cruz off of Smugglers Cove. Hopefully we'll check the weather when we get there. If not, we might pull around over to the north end to see if we can find a shelter if it's blowing too hard over at Smugglers on the east end. But I think we should be fine. So here we go. Looks like the winds today are going to pick up right around 11-ish, and tonight it's supposed to come up to about 18 knots till about 9 p.m. with maybe gusts up to 20, which is fine. We've been out there when it was blowing 30 plus, so shouldn't be a problem. All right, we're off. There's our friends right there, Scott and Loretta. Starting to wind a little bit. We're about 5, 6, 5, 7. A couple more knots and we'll be turning off the motor. Right now it's a little hard on the wind. My boat speed doesn't work, although this one does, but that's based on speed on the ground, not based on the sensor. It looks like the little critters down below probably started nesting.
Your ship is looking good from here. Loretta's videotaping for you.
Yeah, I just did the same thing for you. You'll be a YouTube sensation. All right, flying 3 maidens. This middle sail is called a staysail. That's getting cut right now by Omen Sails. It's the original sail made by Hood, which is a great sail company, but there's a rip right there. I already fixed it once. It's been fixed before. That sun covers had it. It's always nice to have this staysail available, so you can really have quite a choice of your sail plan depending on what the weather is like. If you got a reef your mainsail, especially on a third reef, you can balance out the boat with this guy right here. So it does add to your arsenal of what you can do. That's why I love this boat. There's a platform. Where's my finger? There's platform Gina. I think that's Gilda or Gale. I think that's Gilda. Way over there's Gale. We're heading straight for the tip of Anacapa. We're gonna round on the backside. Woo! Nice. We're gonna round her on the south side and traverse over to Santa Cruz, which is in the clouds right now. You can't see her. And this is our good friends Scott and Loretta's maiden voyage for spending the night on their beautiful boat. Super excited about that. So are they. And looks like the boat traffic's pretty light today. After Gina, probably another mile or so, maybe a little less, half a mile, there's shipping lanes north and south, and sometimes it's really busy. You got to play Frogger, because those guys go, well, if you're in a sailboat, I guess, those guys go, 15, 20 knots, sometimes 18, and they ain't stopping. It's not a, sorry, I can't make it. You're gonna be fish food, because those guys will take a mile to stop. Yeah, we're gonna be playing chicken. We're gonna be playing chicken here with this guy right here. Oh. So So this is the northbound lane. Separation, a half a mile separation, and then southbound. We should be all right, 6.3 knots. Yeah, we rounded Anacapa. All right, there, Arch Rock. Battery's almost dead on my iPhone, so anyway, we got a few more seconds left, minutes left. There's our friend. Cruising right behind, sociable. So Mother Nature turned off the switch like that. I was down below fixing myself a sandwich, and all of a sudden went from keeling over about 15 degrees to our sails luffing, and then it was just silent. Wow. So we got the motor kicked up right now. Our friends behind us, see them over the barbecue. We're not too far away from where we're going. The sun's out, so we're going just north of the Yellow Bank, which is called Yellow Banks. Here's Anacapa. And we got Scotty and Loretta cruising. I think they're catching up. Update. What time is it? 1,300 hours, I think. We're almost there. Probably another 2-3 miles. That's Anacapa behind me. The wind just died. I got 3.1 knots coming straight. About 10 degrees off the nose. I stowed the sails. We're just motoring over to the anchorage. So we had an awesome sail for about more than 3/4 of the trip. I don't know, close to it or a little bit past it. So super happy. Hopefully the anchorage is not too congested. We'll drop a hook in about 30 feet of water and maybe go fishing. We'll see. We can maybe catch some appetizers. Here we are. That's Yellow Banks. And off to the right, actually straight ahead where we're heading, is Smugglers. I don't see too many boats there, if any at all. We got a plow anchor. Unless the swell turns from the south, which is behind us, we'll be fine. Here's the west end of Anacapa. All right, we're here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 boats total. I'm thinking we'll probably get more. It's Friday afternoon. Scotty's getting ready to drop the hook. Inaugural event. Modelo, chilled. So yeah, man, not so much on the weather report, I guess. I mean, that's a great job. Security, reporting weather. God bless their hearts. Yeah, it's supposed to be blowing right now. A little bit, I mean, exciting sailing weather, but it was over here. Right now it's great. I mean, I actually prefer it this way, but so I'm hoping the winds don't change and we get 30-knot winds in the middle of the night, but for now it's just gorgeous. We got a little bit of moo on the grill. Flip that bad boy over. Oh, where's it at? Lost the camera. This right here is called a goshi? I can't remember. Anyway, this copper mat, super cool. Cooks food without burning. You gotta clean it periodically. But other than that, it's a cool little gig off of Amazon, 10 bucks. Probably gonna string up the hammock here in just a little bit. We got Scotty over there, I think, rigging up the pole. Maybe he'll catch dinner, who knows. Yeah, that's mainland over there, Anacapa. But it's pretty flat, super nice. Got the flipper flopper out, rigged up to the end of the boom, coming down. Minimizes the roll. Looks like we got visitors from the Coast Guard. It's amazing how when you're running all day at work and you're just busy with your daily life, how almost difficult it is to slow your body down. And being on a boat, especially by yourself, on the hook, forces you to slow down. All right, Saturday morning. I'm gonna make some coffee. There we go. See if I can make this work. Sun's poking through the clouds. Slept pretty good last night. Had 2 anchor alarms on. The flipper flopper, it's worth its weight in gold. Can't have a self-respecting morning without a little bit of Portuguese sausage on the stove. Potatoes. Some huevos, maybe some avo with cheese. Scotty's gonna come over and talk shop a little bit for breakfast as well. Turning out to be a beautiful day. Mainland's all fogged in. We got sun. Super nice. Is it weird that I like mariachi music? I guess not. I'm Polish, so a lot of the same instruments I grew up listening to. Don't really understand much of it, but that's my goal, to learn. Give you a little tour of key lime pie. Forgive the slight untidiness. We're on the hook, so anyway, my mom painted this painting that I got in Mexico and Cabo. Also that from Paseo de Arte in May. Mom painted this painting. Allie got this in Costa Rica for me. Thank you, Allie. That is from Lua Larry's, Catalina. Forward cabin. Sheets are clean, just haven't made the bed. Very spacious. And all my hats. I'm kind of a hat freak. So, Avalon, No Shoes Nations. Kenny Chesney, U.S. Navy. That was given to me by my youngest as a Father's Day gift. We went on the, not the Kitty Hawk, but the, whatever the carriers in San Diego Bay. Miscellaneous hats throughout my time traveling. Mi familia, my kids. Polish Heritage Cookery, which I have not tapped into. I've owned this book for about 20 years. I guess it's time. Nav station, more of Mi Familia. So I got a B&G down below. B&G 9-inch up top. Got hermit hole. Aft bunk. Super nice. Aft head. And this used to be a ladder, the way they originally designed this, so you don't have to go down the rabbit hole. You can actually just come down, but the previous owner thought that was kind of weird and a lot of wasted space, which I agree, and fabricated this nice cabinet for your clothes. So pretty cool. And this right here, I got in 1993 when we crossed the equator on the CVN 72 Abraham Lincoln carrier. As a matter of fact, October 22nd, 1993, AMSAR, AMS, Aviation Mechanic Structural Airman Recruit, which is E1. We were on the way to Perth, Australia on USS Abraham Lincoln CVN 72. Latitude 00, longitude 44 degrees. Can't quite read what that says, but 16 east. Yeah. So we got friends coming over for dinner right now. When there's a party, there's gotta be party wings. So they're coming over here. Just a second, we're gonna be cooking on my boat. Another beautiful sunset. We didn't catch, but nonetheless, it's logged into the memory banks of my mind. Got the No Shoes Nation flag, flying proud. Oh yeah, check this out. So good. Hola!
It's pretty cold for you, but since you...
Wave, say hi.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah.
Cheers. Our first fish dinner aboard Key Lime Pie.
Key Lime Pie. Our good friends. It's Loretta. Loretta. And we're having, uh-oh. What's going on? I'm locked out. I'm locked out of my barbecue. I think the deals are ready. Got a Little light, beautiful sunset. Isn't it gorgeous out here?
Santa Cruz on.
Yeah. Had a wonderful dinner tonight with Scott and Loretta. It's just amazing to have this opportunity to connect with people when there's no phones and no internet and nobody's looking at their phones and expecting text messages, and the stars are unbelievable. This phone is just not going to pick up the scope of what's going on in the sky, but because we're so far away from mainland, the clarity of the night sky is unbelievable. It's the things that you just can't really see when you're in the city. The twinkling of the stars and the Milky Way, and the contrast between the top of the mast with my anchor light on and the shadow of the mountains illuminated by the night sky. It's just unbelievable. And the 100-year-old lantern, that's it's definitely plays into the beauty of being on an older boat. Just really thankful for an evening like this. And then you have those. Good morning, Sunday, August 1st. It's time to leave this beautiful anchorage, and it looks like we have winds coming out of 120, so east-southeast at 5 knots true. So I think the plan will be to take Anacapa on the north side. Unfortunately, that's a MPA, marine protected area, which you can't fish directly in front of the island. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to squeeze in on the backside and still keep the sails full. I was hoping to throw out a line and hopefully catch something. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe the winds will shift by the time we get there. We'll make that decision. They're pretty light anyway. 10 true. So not too bad. Pretty easy sail. Beautiful sailing. 14.3, 14.2, true. On a beam reach. Man, going 6 knots, 6.5 knots, 6, 7. Sunny. Man, this is great sailing. Sailors live for days like this. Well, we're about to go into some fog. Looks like all the warm air is blowing off the land. I hope when we come out on the other side, we don't go back in time. And out of the fog comes out Gina. Oil platform Gina's right there. She's about 3 nautical miles offshore. So that's about does it. Super nice trip. If you subscribe to the channel, as you can tell, channel is new, and if you enjoyed the video, you can comment, and if you didn't, you can comment as well. There will be more videos to come, especially once I start heading down to Mexico, so hopefully this will be a fun way to share my adventures with people who may be considering a leap of faith or have had a desire to own a sailboat, and they just want to take it from somebody who is actually fairly new to sailing and follow the adventure. So I appreciate your time. Please subscribe, hit the like button if you like it, and have a great day.